feel kind of weird.
Did you hear something?
Cool.
Just gonna try that again. Wait until she gets distracted by the toys.
What's she signing?
I said weird in your head.
It's just signing
Like
head.
in my head.
Yes, she's turning and looking at you. That was just coincidence or not?
Yeah.
We'll see.
Tough.
I'm gonna try it again.
Oh,
Yay!
feel that?
Yay!
Good job.
Very good.
Excited.
Oh, new feeling. Hey.
Yeah. That's new.
So we're gonna switch and we're gonna check another electrode and see what we get.
Amazing.
That was wonderful. You gonna switch on?
Are we ready?
You ready?
Ready? And now we're trying to pay attention to different things we hear.
What is it?
There's Dad's voice, and Annie makes sounds.
Annie?
There's Mama's voice. Do you hear Mama's
Annie?
voice?
Can you hear Mama?
Mama's saying Annie, Annie. Yeah. Is it a lot, Polly? A lot to absorb? What do you think?
Oh, she's definitely responding, hey?
Is it a little scary?
Oh, baby.
Probably you're okay.
Yeah.
As we said, that's why we want to start off. And this is the loudest of the map, so we can get some quieter ones.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. There you go. Something new?
You feel something?
Yeah. It's exciting.
I'm gonna check that again. We'll wait till she starts looking at it. Yes!
We gotta wait. Yeah, we gotta wait.
Oh my gosh. She's the best.
She's not expressive at all.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah.